In the mid-19th to early 20th century, Woodlawn was established as a small community of Dutch farmers. Woodlawn remained largely white and middle class until the 1950s. Following a Supreme Court ruling in 1948, which made restrictive covenants unenforceable, African Americans began moving into the neighborhood in large numbers, leading to white businesses and residents leaving the neighborhood. This disinvestment by public and private entities, coupled with housing discrimination, led to a decline in the community's resources and infrastructure. But despite these challenges, the 63rd Street corridor became a lively center for jazz clubs and businesses. By the early 1950s, the area along 63rd Street, straddling Cottage Grove, was the center of entertainment for the African American community. There were several jazz, rhythm and blues, doo-wop, and amateur nightclubs, the most popular and prestigious of which was the Crown Propeller Lounge at 868 East 63rd Street. Today, the Black Wall Street Festival, hosted by Woodlawn Diversity in Action, honors and reminds us of this great, rich history. Today, there are over 200 vacant lots in Woodlawn. Woodlawn has many vacant lots due to decades of racial discrimination, economic disinvestment, and white flight, which led to population loss, property abandonment, and eventually the demolition of buildings. This cycle of decline intensified after the 1968 assassination of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and the subsequent arsons in the 1970s, leaving many properties vacant. The presence of vacant land is a manifestation of systemic issues, but it also presents an opportunity for community development and wealth building. The future of Woodlawn extends way past the old saying, "When life gives you lemons, make lemonade." The people of Woodlawn are now saying, "When life gives you lemons, make lemonade and sell it." Several new businesses have come into the 63rd Street corridor over the past few years, adding to the several existing businesses, of which all work together to help bring regeneration to the community. Today, Woodlawn is seeing renewed attention with upcoming projects like the Obama Presidential Center, which has already started to bring economic development and investment to the area. The OPC stands as the main anchor, bringing several other real estate projects to Woodlawn, such as the Woodlawn Central project. Woodlawn Central is an 8.5-acre mixed-use district designed to keep wealth, culture, and opportunity in the hands of the people who built this community. It's a direct response to displacement, disinvestment, and outside forces trying to reshape Woodlawn without its people. Located on 63rd Street near the 63rd Street station, Woodlawn Central is a transit-connected district that brings together affordable and market-rate housing, Black-owned businesses, performance venues, creative workspaces, and faith-based community resources. It's designed to be a place where entrepreneurs can launch, artists can create, families can plant roots, and the community can gather. The people of Woodlawn are not simply reimagining Woodlawn, they are owning it.